Thank you.
Woo, that's warm.
This is the first leg, SFO to SIN.
Singapore Airlines be bougie like that.
This is a hot towel.
It was a 15-hour flight from San Francisco to Singapore. There were 7 of us out of the 9 in our group that were flying this route. This was the first time Kendall had traveled out of the country. She had to get a passport and everything. So it's a very special trip for all of us for so many different reasons. This is business class.
That's so cool. In another lifetime.
I'm gonna go first.
Next trip.
Bye, thank you.
Bye, thank you so much.
We landed in Singapore and we only had 1 hour before our flight to Bali. I would say hands down the Singapore airport is the best airport I've ever been to. Look at these orchids. This was just in the short time in between our 2 flights. We were headed into the heat of Bali, so Kendall and I wanted to get out of our sweats and put on some shorts and a t-shirt. So we went and changed, and I got on my hashtag Old Lady Gang t-shirt. Kendall got on her Bali Babes tee. Life is short and the world is wide. She's a real one, you guys. Follow along to see the rest of this amazing trip.
Bali Babes 2024. What?